Here at Overdevest Nurseries, we take our rose growing very seriously. We literally test hundreds of varieties looking for the best performers for right here in our own region in the mid-Atlantic and northeastern states. We're looking for varieties that are compact growers, that produce lots of gorgeous flowers, that don't need a whole lot of maintenance, and above all are ones that have natural disease resistance. Now, out of all that testing and trialing, obviously stars emerge. And here was one called True Bloom, True Passion, an award-winning variety that's been a phenomenal success and one that we've been delighted to introduce some years ago. Following on from the success of that now, here's the next in the series. This is called True Bloom, True Friendship. And this gorgeous variety is from the same breeder, Ping Lim, one of the world's finest rose breeders, introduced by Altman Plants. This is a substantially better rose than many of the ones that are already on the market, especially yellow roses. Look at this beautiful rose, nice and compact and bushy, producing lots of flower buds that then open up to what you expect a rose to look like. A nice big full sizable rose with lots of color, and also in this case, very interestingly, a sweet mild fragrance. Now, as the roses emerge, you'll see that they go through different stages until they open up to this stage here when it's more like a semi-double rose, and then as the flower matures, you'll see that it lightens somewhat to a paler lemon yellow, altogether putting on a substantial show on a plant that only gets to about 3 foot by 3 foot wide. Lots of dark green, disease-resistant foliage, strong, vigorous grower that doesn't need a lot of maintenance, and above all, doesn't need to be all that tiresome spraying. This is Rose True Bloom, True Friendship.